How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be installing the M3 control arms on the 135i. I'm just going to be doing a basic overview and voiceover of it. It's very easy and simple to do, honestly. It's just really 4 bolts, that's all it is. It's super easy to do, takes less than an hour, I want to say. It's really easy basically. So I did scoot around the rack and pinion. I did loosen that up a little bit just so it could give me a little bit more space, but it's not necessary to do. And you guys saw that side, and then when I go over to the other side, this side is actually done already. That's how fast I did it. It's like super simple to do. Videos on YouTube that will show you like more in depth like what exactly to do, but I'm just doing like a basic overview on it, on like how easy it was to install. I did get these off of FCP Euro. I think they're like $300 for everything. It's just 2 arms and that's basically it, the ones that the M3 uses. But here I am. I'm gonna remove the lower control arm first just because I feel like it was a bit easier to remove, and as you can see, it just falls right out of the knuckle. And then to take it out of the subframe, you will need a pry bar a little bit to kind of pry it off. So get yourself a nice little pry bar to pry it out. Makes things a lot easier. And as you can see, it came right out very easy. Same thing with the front arm. Look at that. It just came out like nothing. And then same thing with the knuckle. It should just pop out of the knuckle like nothing. I didn't even have to hit it at all. And it just flies right out. And as you can see, these are very old. They have like 100,000 miles on them, and I can kind of feel it on the steering wheel. When you would brake, it will kind of shift a little bit. So they are pretty worn out, but look at how much movement it has. That's like way too much if you want performance. And here it is compared to the new ones. So as you can see, this is the old one. It moves so much. Like, you do not want that if you want to have like good handling and stuff. It just moves way too much compared to the new one, which it has like a reinforced bushing. Basically it moves like 0. I'm pretty sure if I put more force into it, it would move. And then the smaller arm, this one was a bit hard to move, but it did slightly move. But there's a big difference between the old one and the new one, just because the new one has a weird swivel thing. But that's about it. I'd highly recommend these M3 control arms. Really changes up the feel of the car. Not drastically, but there is a small difference to it. And if your control arms are already worn out like mine were, I would basically recommend upgrading to the M3 instead of getting the stock ones again.